The best bulk paracord-like rope is the Everbuilt Paracord from Home Depot. Though it has a paracord in the name, it's not a paracord in terms of structure. There are numerous items accessible to paracord, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs, to help you make an informed decision. I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best paracord from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Ballet 550 Paracord. 10-strand core tested to 650 pounds. Ballet Paracord is made of 10 high-strength polyester inner cores, and the multi-strand polyester inner core of the divided umbrella rope can be used separately. And it is made by exquisite craftsmanship. 100% nylon, top-grade nylon material, making it great for survival needs and many outdoor applications. Not only a nylon rope, but also a super strong rope, light and easy to carry, and will not fluff after frequent friction. High-quality UV resistance and fading resistance, long service life. Top-grade nylon material, making it great for survival needs and many outdoor applications, and great for any level of expertise. Suitable for any outdoor activities. 4. 1 mm diameter, high tensile strength, length of 31 meters. Our camping rope is most perfect for guy line, tent rope, camping, hiking, survival, military, army outdoor activities. If you have any issues with our paracord, please feel free to contact us through Amazon. A satisfying solution is promised. Number 2. Atwood Rope MFG 550 Paracord. 7-strand core, 5/32 of an inches in diameter, 8 ounces x 100 feet, 550 tensile, UV-resistant material. With an unlimited amount of uses, this 550 paracord can be used for any and every situation. We have 100 plus colors, custom-made 1,000 plus patterns, and carry Kevlar, glow in the dark, and reflective. We maintain a strict quality assurance policy with QA checkpoints throughout the manufacturing process. Atwood Rope MFG's paracord is proudly made in Ohio within 600 miles of 60% of USA's population. Each strand of our 7-strand core is made of 2 braided strands. By pulling out the internal cords, you can turn 100 feet of rope into hundreds of feet of available cordage. This product is perfect for a prepper's stash or a DIY enthusiast macrame supply. Cut it into strips for tarp tie-downs, wrap a knife hilt, keep a hank in an emergency medical bag for a quick tourniquet, or in your hunting gear to easily haul in a big kill and secure any big haul with it. Number 3. 750 Reflective Paracord Rope. All parachute cord is packaged for convenience and according to length. Our 100 feet lengths come wound on a reusable bag. 200 feet, 500 feet, 1,000 feet lengths come wound on a spool and extra bag. You'll be ready for just about anything if you throw a roll with a bag in your trunk. Take it everywhere and anytime. With an abrasion-resistant 32-strand sheath structure and 11-strand inner core, 3-ply inner strands, which together create an extra 200 pounds of breaking strength compared to 550 paracord. Thickness, 5/32 of an inches. And it is dependable, tough, and long-lasting. And our paracord kit has a smooth texture, UV and fade resistant that doesn't fray with friction. Every paracord is backed by superior quality, and under strict quality inspection. 750 paracord has a soft hand feel. It can let you tie down knots. Our aim is 100% satisfied customers. Return it anytime and get a full refund when you are not happy with our paracord. Number 4. 1000 ID Paracord Rope. With an abrasion-resistant 32-strand sheath structure and 12-strand inner core. Our paracord is tested and qualified at minimum 1000 pounds breaking force. Compared with 750 pounds paracord rope, you can get an extra 250 pounds breaking strength for the same price. Thickness, 4 millimeters. Our paracord kit. The flexibility and strong strength of umbrella rope make it very versatile. It can be used as a tent rope to set up a tent, firmly fix the hammock, or hang heavy objects in the garage or basement, such as bicycles and kayaks. Used as a safety rope in emergency situations. This umbrella rope is very helpful for your adult fishing toolkit, and can also be used as an outdoor rope for your hunting experience. We are confident in the quality of our bulk paracord and we know you will love it. This is why we back it with 100% money-back guarantee. to help you buy with confidence. Number 5. Werewolf 16 Colors Paracord Cord. Our 550 Paracord cord kit with 16 different colors, each 10 feet long. In order to help beginners get started quickly, we provide you with 3 kinds of starter paracord weaving instructions. Type 3 commercial grade parachute cord with a minimum breaking strength of 550 pounds. The 7 inner strands are surrounded by a tightly woven sheath. It will not let you down in times of need. The paracord kit can make enough bracelets and crafts. Hold a paracord bracelet making party and invite your family and friends to a fun handcrafting day. A perfect gift for kids and adults to practice crafting skills, encourage creativity, have fun and enjoy the entertainment of being creative. Develop a love for arts and crafts that will be rewarding for years to come. We are proud of the quality of our paracord kit, and we know you'll love it. This is why we back it with 100% money-back guarantee to help you buy with confidence. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.